everyone, and welcome back to Studio 64. So today, oh my god, my breath smells like chocolate cookies. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you how to remove Sharpie off your Lego figures. I know, magic. Also, if you're new to the channel, then do consider subscribing. We have loads of Lego Star Wars content on the channel, and let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm just going to customize this clone helmet, and then I can remove any mistakes that I make with the technique I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is what we made, and as you can see, I made quite a few mistakes, so now I'm going to show you how to remove them. So you are going to need a craft knife, and it's very simple, but all you need to do is just scrape away as if you were removing printing, but just press harder. Now I'm just going to wait for the Sharpie to dry a bit more, and then I'm going to scrape off the rest and show you the finished result. Okay, so as you can see, I used the craft knife to scrape away some of that Sharpie that I messed up, and I think it looks pretty cool. And I've also decided that I'm never going to use this colour of Sharpie again.